Hello, now I invite you to do with me very short meditation for global peace to be realized in our collective experience in the most peaceful and smooth way. So, just take your arms, make them warm, and then put them at the sides like this. Now you can close your eyes and imagine that on the left hand you have a pink sphere of light. On the right hand you have deep dark blue light sphere. Feel the differences in energy. And now feel that on this right hand, on this blue sphere, all the energy of truth, sharpness, justice, severity, called facts, and similar type of energies. And on the left hand, feel the seemingly opposite energies of mercy, forgiveness, kindness, diplomacy, gentleness, and feel now simultaneously those two energies. That on extreme can look like completely contradictory. Yes, and feel also all the different opposites that are in conflict that you see in your experience, and take those on those two different sides. And now feel the middle at your heart. Feel the warm, vibrant, green energy at your heart chakra that invites those spheres to come together, to unify, to realize the middle path. And now slowly bring your palms facing each other. Start to feel those two spheres resonating to each other, getting to know each other with intention to come into peaceful conclusion, to a peaceful resolution, reconciling all those karmas of the world. And then slowly bring those palms and spheres closer and closer and closer. Start to feel how those two lights starting to touch each other, and on that middle point where those spheres meet, imagine like white golden light appears, and bring them even more closer, and see how this golden white light expanding and expanding. And then hold these unified spheres, now this triple sphere in front of your heart. Feel how it resonates to your heart. Feel how the source portal opens up in this middle, how all the blessings and will of universal harmony from all the cosmos now flowing through your crown, through your head, through your throat, to your heart, to your hands, to those spheres, to this middle of those spheres. Feel your intention, charge it with our unified vote for global peace here and now. For the resolution, reconciliation of all the conflicting past and opening up to fresh present, fresh relationship based on compassion, understanding, love, integration. And all the blessings and prayers that you also want to put into this energetical vote. And this vote, this will, is the law. And feel how it is in resonance with universal law, which is unconditional love, which is the will of one being, unity consciousness. And now let's bring this sphere down to the earth. So you can imagine how you are letting go. You can touch the earth with your hands, you can touch your legs, or you can just put your palms facing towards earth and see how this sphere drops to the underground ley lines, energy lines, to the underground network of Gaia, and then feel how those energies now expands and meets all of those charged energies from our spheres, now meets into this unified net, this unified web of peace, and feel how Mother Earth, Mother Gaia also charges this energetical web, empowers it also with its will, for peace to all her children, to all her kingdoms, for all life on earth to grow and evolve in unity consciousness, in unified harmony, which complements all the parties, all the differences. And now see how this energy radiates from the ground into the atmosphere, surrounding all the earth. This white, golden glow of Source will, which we now assisting, channeling, empowering. Feel 100% faith in this, confidence in this, devotion in this. Unwavering conviction in this. No matter what happens on the surfaces, in the time that we are experiencing, we always leading that towards this realization of this will. And everything can be creatively used for this. So let's stand firm on this ground, on this web of global peace. And now feel and see how this aura of peace, of universal peace, love, harmony, now attracts similar energies from the cosmos, from all the different ascended and higher vibration civilizations who are living in this. Feel this extended family, this great resonance, which is like a symphony, comes into our earth like a long white dragon, which is now flying through all the continents of our world and carrying that same harmony, that same intention, awakening that peace in all the hearts who seek this, and removes all the obstacles to embody this, again in the most peaceful and loving way. So now you can imagine how this dragon, like a Chinese, like a snake type dragon, now goes in the loops between all the continents, all the nations, unifying all the hearts, and all core intentions of the hearts are the same. So feel this gigantic resonance, how all the beings in the cosmos and on this earth are now singing, resonating through the hearts, this song of peace, this song of love and harmony. That dissolves all the contradictory thoughts, emotions, wounds, karmic imprints, and so on. All of that is brought into this light, dissolves into this light, and brings more freshness in our collective experience. So feel this freshness, breathe it in, breathe it out, share it, receive it, enjoy it, and at your own time you can slowly open your eyes. You can massage yourself, you can clap your hands, massage your face, massage your body, you can stretch. And thank you very much, and I encourage you to do this. If it resonates to you, do this on your own as many times as you want on your day. It can be very short, just refreshing that vote, just remembering your true will, and share it with this co-created collective reality of yours. Thank you very much. Much blessings, much love. Take care, and see you in the moment. Bye.